Oh, fish on. Fish on, guys. Ooh. Oh, shit. Fish on. Fish on again.
Oh, yeah. This is not nice.
Jamaican shore fishing. Good morning. Sorry to start the intro like this, but didn't want to start the video like this. Unfortunately, Sanjay got a flat on his car, so we had to stop, drop this car off, jump in my car, and head down the line. A little bit late for meeting up with Norris. I called him and sent him a message, but I am on my way. So big up Norris. I'll be there shortly, but there goes Norris. I know it's him. We marked him. And we got Sanjay here today too, guys. Big up. Sanjay is ready to drop some line. And we got Norris down there. We came all the way out here to Negril to meet Norris today. All the way from UK he came to meet up with Jamaican shore fishing. And we definitely here with him today, guys. So we're gonna link up, introduce ourselves a little bit, and definitely link up. I could tell it's Norris. I couldn't resist that first cast. I couldn't resist. Had to get it in there.
Fucking right, yeah. Nice
Norris.
to meet you, Jerry.
Nice to meet you, buddy.
How you doing?
All right. Finally get to meet up.
Yeah.
Everything great?
Yeah, man.
How's it feeling here?
Dead.
It's dead?
Yeah, dead.
Have you worked that side?
Yeah, I've cast all round, pretty much. There was a few fish chasing, just a bit further than I could cast.
How about this rocks? Have you worked these rocks ever since you've been down here?
No, I haven't. No, I've flicked a few over there to try and get them in front of the rocks and back, but nothing.
Have you gone around to West End?
No, I haven't, no.
Oh, really?
Yeah, serious.
All right, let's get a few more casts here and see what's up. And this is Sanjay. Sanjay, this is Norris. A barracuda, lizardfish, jackfish, snapper on a spoon lure. Definitely.
Yeah, we'll have a go. I've got some lures for you there, Jerry.
Oh, cool. Let me cast out and see if I can pick up it. Down here is famous for big jacks. Real famous for big jackfish. Check it out. Let this sink. What I love about this water is it gets deep. This gets deep here. Cool. Awesome, dude. Thank you, man. Check this out, guys. Norris brought me some nice lures. Can't wait to get some fish hooked up on them. Thank you, mate. Appreciate it.
No problem, pal.
Huh?
You food it?
No. It probably fell out my bag. What, it just landed there?
That's yours?
Oh, it fell off my bag. Fell off my bag. Probably hooked onto my bag when I was pulling it out the car a while ago. That's one of mine. I have 3 of them. These are the big dogs. Probably fell out my bag. These are awesome, guys. Check these out. Woo! And this is that bait, that thread that wraps the bait on, right?
Yeah, to keep your shrimps on.
Oh, awesome, dude. Whole bunch of spoon lures. Check this out, guys. Well, we're gonna go through these when we get the time, and definitely run through these, guys, and check these out. And we want to get some fishing in and not lose any fishing time, though. And we won't have time to go through these now, but we'll get to them later, guys. Some 1/4 ounce and 1/2 ounces and stuff like that. Pretty awesome. Thank you again, Norris. Appreciate it, bro.
There.
Appreciate it, bro.
I'll just keep you going a minute.
Oh yeah, definitely. Spoon lures. Haha. I love spoon lures.
I've lost a few this trip though.
Oh yeah? Hitching up. So we can get moving. If we're not getting any actions here, let's get to some structure with his rocks.
Yeah, man.
There's bait fish in the water over there dragging. I gotta tie up a new wire lead in a second because
Nothing that bad.
huh? No, I make them. I make my own. I mean, I can put them on.
I think I'll give you a handful.
Oh yeah?
If not, I've got one there for you, mate.
Yeah, I have I have a roll that I tie these ones. Check it out. These are really thin for lure fishing. I tie these myself.
Oh, yeah.
Look, take your hands and feel it. I won't leave any to cut you up. I make a damn good tie. But let me see if this barrier is around. This water is pretty deep. Oh, cool. Oh, cool. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Definitely. Get this one on there real quick.
You hot already?
Mm-hmm.
Hot already?
You guys ready? Let me change this wire lead off. You ready, right? We're gonna start moving and fishing. Yeah, guys, so I don't normally use pre-made, but we're gonna go with this one. Oh shit, I hooked it in the wrong one. I should be taking this wire lead off and chucking it versus keeping it on there. Let's get this off. Get the new one on. Which will give me a little bit more flex. All right. Checking out for this stupid barra that's always here. But I'll go with a smaller profile lure in a second. Just drop that wire. Yeah, I have this hand wiping rag right here that I wipe my hands or I hold the fish. It's a mitt. It's designed for it. I stick my hand and grab the fish.
Oh yeah, that's a smart idea, isn't it? I've been nicking flannels out the hotel room.
Yeah, because I don't want to get. I don't want to get stuck. I don't want to get stuck with hooks, and I don't want to get stuck with spurs for sure. Let me see. Look at that. Oh no, got caught on the hook. I hate when that happens.
That lighter rod.
Huh?
Maybe I should have brought that lighter rod.
Yeah, light rod, because what happened is you don't fatigue yourself casting 100 times versus casting once or twice.
You have to hammer it out like
Yeah. No, but you're gonna have deep waters to use it, trust me. I'm the one that's probably gonna have problems. Let's go, guys. I'm gonna put a smaller lure on this anyways. I gotta smash these. Alright. Yeah guys, so me and Norris is gonna head down. Spoon lures out and some structures here. We've got a lot of structure. We're definitely gonna aim species, lizardfish, barracuda, jackfish. Yeah, you have some holes here, Norris. Just be careful and watch your steps. These rocks are very unforgiving.
Yeah, I learned that the other morning.
Yeah, they'll tear your shoes up quickly. So, cast out, straight out, and see what you can pick up. This is it, Jamaican shore fishing. Do or die moment. Don't let it sink. No. Alright, then we got another reefy structure section if we're not getting luck here. We have lots of reefs that we can hit up. Huh?
Looks good for it.
Yeah? Looks really good. See, because I use a 10-pound line, I get distance. If I should go 6, oh my God, I'm on the other side of the thing here, man. It's crazy.
You those in Miami?
Yeah?
I haven't seen any this morning, but they're fucking massive.
Oh, those are the seagulls, like. I forgot the name of it. Pelicans.
No, not a pelican. A big black.
With rednecks.
Yeah, got about a 2-meter wingspan.
Vulture.
Vulture.
Yeah. We call them John Crow here. Those are like an African vulture type. All right, no runs. Let's move. Sanjay, we're gonna hit better waters. But let's go around here. I'm not feeling this. I'm seeing long jaws chase. But I'm not seeing nothing like a barra or maybe a jack run it down or anything like that. This sucks. Come on, let's get out of here. Let's go find the other spots. We're going to head west and where's deeper, man.
I didn't find driving here terrible, to be honest. It's very similar to the UK.
Yeah.
Here.
They said about potholes. Where we live in the countryside. They're just the same potholes.
All right, guys, the camera's been running. I didn't know that. So, well, editing takes away a lot of that. So, water is about 3 to 4 feet deep. Always remember, check your depth when you're fishing. You see it? Cast out, bro. There's pelicans hanging around. I see them diving. That's a good sign. Yo, I tell you something, guys. Negril is friggin' soft at times. Every time I fish down here, yo, you gotta go on a serious hunt just to pick up 1 or 2 fish. Sometimes you don't even pick up nothing. But fucking bucket. Hey guys, so I'm walking and I'm trying to pick up, see what I can pick up here. At the moment, I'm not getting any chases. Not yet, bro. Oh, Lord's not giving me a good reading. All right, let's get this out there. See if I can get this twitch lure in there, guys. How you doing back there, Norris? I can't believe this though. This is weird. Oh shit. Yeah. Back here makes no sense to go any further back there. That's crazy. Nothing yet?
That's why they don't call it catching, Jerry.
We'll go around a little bit further after this anyways. We got a lot of other spaces. We have deeper waters that we can fish. Don't worry. Way deeper waters.
You reckon that's where it's at, Jerry? Here, the deep water?
Off the cliffs. They're probably around there feeding. I'm trying to say the other option that we can do though, guys, to be honest with you, is just grab a boat and just go up river and hunt for snooks and tarpons. That's another option.
Grab a boat and what?
Grab a boat and head up river and cast for snooks. You'd probably catch snooks or troll down the stretch and you probably pick up a barra or a jack or a snook or something. But let's go around the west end and see what's up. If all fails, then we know, then all fails. We tried. Well, it's called fishing, not catching.
Right, Jerry. There's no catching, it'd be boring.
But you know what's the greatest part about it, bro? We out with some good friends and just chilling out, hanging out, talking shit, fishing, and just shooting.
This beautiful island.
That's right.
For me.
And just chill out. So you guys want to get another cast in? If you want to change that lure, let me know. There's other lures in the car, the bigger ones. We can change it, give you something more funky. Give you something a little bit lighter, but still give you the same cast.
Yeah, because this might be too big.
All right, come on, I got you. I'll give you something smaller, but a little bit more spunky. I'll give you something for deep water.
I've got some plastics, they're light.
Yeah. Watch your step, all right, bud? Want me to get it?
Getting back to work.
All right, guys. We'll hit these rocks up and see what we can pick up. I'm kind of conserving battery power here. And trying to get past these treacherous rocks. Morning, bro. All right, cool, no, man. See if we can pick up a 1 barra this morning, you know? Yeah, it's kind of treacherous to walk across these rocks. I've done it before. Hey, Norris! Come over this side if you want. Careful, watch your step, bud. It is. The water over here is better though. Sanjay! Sanjay! These rocks are brutal, bro.
Proper, your videos don't show that.
But the video don't show none of this. Everybody think it's like a cakewalk when I come fishing.
I didn't think it were easy. I didn't expect it to be as hard as it is.
Yeah, it's difficult, man. It's definitely difficult at times.
Especially at the rate you put videos out, you know? I'm working a job. I'm having a family.
Yep, it's crazy. So here you can go with a little bit deeper diver lure that goes down. You can work with that. Look how deep this is. That's mental, bro. You want to try one of these, mate?
I'm alright.
Huh?
I'm alright, I'll just crack on how I am.
This is a deeper diver. Alrighty.
We've got here at work that we fish on the back.
Yeah.
We do fish these there.
Okay. That's up.
Perfect.
I let the spoon lure sink a while ago, but sick how it swims. Look at how it swims, bud. Watch this. Look how the friggin' thing swims. It swims like all over the damn place. Hey guys. So moving from behind Sanjay, and what happened anyways, right? We do this stuff for fishing. In the name of fishing. Yeah, Jamaican shore fishing. So we are here with Norris and putting it in, guys. See what we can pick up this morning. Fish on? You got hitched? On a rope? Don't pop it off. It's coming in. Don't pop it off. You're not popping it off, are you? Oh. Oh. Fish on. Oh, no. Hey, watch your casting while he's going out, all right? Gonna get deep on you, but can't believe all this space that we've fished from this morning and we haven't caught diddly squat yet, guys. That's crazy. That's nuts. Let's watch out for sea eggs. I'll show it to you. Yeah, the urchins. Oh, fish on. Fish on, guys. Ooh. Fish on. Fish on, buddy. Woohoo! Lizard fish. Here, lizard. Yep. Lizard fish. This is what a lizard fish look like, but they're ugly. They're real ugly, but they eat good. They eat real good.
Good eaters, yeah?
Yeah. See, he looks ugly. Or sandfish, they call it. Lizard fish. Yeah, he hit that lure hard a while ago, boy. Boy, what you doing with yourself? Boy, you going in the cooler, boy. That's the first fish of the morning. Here, lizard. Calm down. There you go, buddy. I'll fix you up real good. Well, at least one of us got something this morning. So far. That's good luck. That's to tell us that there's more out there. Go ahead, cast out, bro. You want to try the lure? Spoon? But the thing with a spoon, you can't let it sink none time. Uh-huh. Lizardfish goes after anything. Right? They chop anything. But you need some nylon, buddy. Nylon gives you a further cast. Listen to the noise I make when I cast versus what you make. Oh shit, you see just got hit a while ago? Fish just hit your line a while ago, bro.
Yeah, I see it.
You didn't just see it? Yeah, the one came up and hit your line. No, a bigger one hit your line right there behind that rock. He's right there. We can move from here whenever you're ready. Whenever you guys ready, we can move. Huh? No, he got stuck. Yeah, he's gonna go get his lure. Shore fishing. I've seen another spot that I couldn't pass up. So, knowing me, shore fishing style. Let's get this. Barracuda. Hey guys, we're here with Norris from the UK, having a friggin' splendid ball of a time, enjoying ourselves, fishing. Just having fun, guys. I know, man. I work here, you know. One barra? Okay, a barra. Me look fast still. Eh? Yeah. Now go. See, we can't go on this one, not you? Alright, we can't reach on here, right? Water crystal clear, beautiful, guys. You got scared of water. No, we ain't scared of water none time. Oh shit. Mm. Oh man. Has to be something over here, guys. Has to be something. Whoop, whoop. I left my bag, my lip grip tool, everything over there. Yeah, my phone fell a while ago, guys. Scared the hell out of me. Almost fell in the water. That was spooky. Whoop, whoop. Whoop, whoop. Look at the size of this barrel, people. Look at him. Look at him, guys. Holy shit. Yo, 10 pounder. 10 pounder out here. $10, bro. Yo, huge. He just chased my line all the way down to here. Oh shit, fish on. Fish on again. Got another one, lizard fish. Fucker. Oh. Lizard fish, bro. Yo, bro. Yo, bro. The barra I just seen made me friggin' shiver, bro, how big he is. Bro, the barra that just chased my line was humongous, bro. Cast out right there, bro. I'm sorry I left my bag a while ago. There's bait fish all throughout here, bro. It's huge. He was coming from there, run my lure all the way down to here, bro. Yo, bro, this was no lie from here to about right here, dogs. When he turned sideways and went that way a while ago, I was like, damn! I didn't have any lure like this. He was chasing the spoon lure, but he wasn't grabbing it.
Oh.
That's crazy, dog. I think it's time for us to have a cold beer. Beer time. The heat is hot. I think Sanjay kind of gave up on it already. And that's about it. You okay, bud? Sanjay, you alright? The heat's going with you, right?
Yeah, man.
Alright, take a break. Just you ain't got to fish.
Me, I just felt I was going to fall in that water.
Oh
Yeah,
shit.
they gotta be careful about that.
Alright, let's. You guys want to stop, get a drink? Are you fucking shitting me? Look at this now, guys.
Oh yeah, Lucy.
This is not
Lucy,
nice.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm in Lucy right now. Lucy, the capital Hanover, right?
Holy
Okay.
shit.
Where did you
This is not nice. Norris just got a hook
Seen
in the
at
elbow,
tool
guys.
shop.
We gotta get this out. Shit.
Yes.
Woo! Alright, we have two choices. Push it through, cut the tip off, or pop it back out the other way. The other way is gonna hurt a bit, but it will be out quick.
Right.
Huh? So, this is gonna be tricky. Come on, bud. Yeah.
There's a trick to get hooks out with a bit of line. Hold up, Jerry. I don't want
No, I'm
pull
gonna grab it by the same hook, same way like you do the line, and just yap it out.
No, she saw. 3 seconds. Let me just.
Okay. Oh my God! Why this always got? This is the third person that got hook apart from myself, and we were just talking about this shit today. So now we need to get a bit of line, right? All right, let's get a bit of line.
Oh, I'm not looking forward to this.
Well, you're looking forward to it today, but hey, come here, man. We need some help over here, bro. Fucking spinnerbait.
Okay, that's fine.
So Sanjay, on the morning,
Alright, got you.
Oh, that's sore already.
Alright.
I will call you. I'll be there more than morning.
Alright, thanks.
Yeah, man, good.
I know. Ready? Set.
You gotta put pressure on it, man. Put some pressure on
Thank you, Jerry.
We got him out.
it. Disinfectant and you're good.
Yeah, guys. So
Bastard.
got him. Got it out. Here goes your hook, bud. You can wear it as a pendant. That hurts. Here, Jamaican shore fishing. We're here with Norris from the UK.
Jamaican law fishing.
We're laughing about it, but it's painful. It's a painful situation. I've had it many times. Not now.
Today.
So if you never got hooked as a fisherman, you're not fishing.
Yeah, right.
Yep, that's what's up. Hey guys, we came to the end of today. Sanjay is here. We got Norris here from the UK, and that's it for today, guys. We tried. We didn't fail though. We didn't go home. Yeah, we caught one human being. We got Norris on the hook today, so you guys are gonna see a clip of that. So stay tuned, guys. Big up yourself, Jamaican Shore Fishing. Thank you guys for joining the channel. Remember, please like, share, subscribe, and watch your ads. And we are out here.